Meaning of hotel.
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 Hotel. The word hotel refers to an establishment that provides lodging, meals and other services to travelers and tourists. Hotels typically have a variety of room types, ranging from standard to luxury suites, and may offer amenities such as restaurants, bars, swimming pools, gyms, and spas. Some hotels also provide meeting rooms, event spaces, or wedding venues. The primary purpose of a hotel is to provide a comfortable and convenient place to stay for travelers away from home. Hotels are found in nearly every city around the world, and often serve as a hub for tourism and business travel.